I wanted to fit in, but now I'm not so sure. They tell you to be proud of who you are, to love yourself, to accept yourself, but they don't know what it's like. And close your eyes. Now listen. No one ever slows down. You go day by day ignoring all the noise. Birds chirping, videos playing, the sound of the car's motor, everyone talking over each other. It's too much. Please, just make it stop. The doctors told me that cochlear implants only have an 80% chance of working. The other 20% could lead to infections, failure, vertigo, and countless other things. But nobody ever tells you about this part. Nothing could have prepared me for what was to come.